It's that time of year again for the blossoms of God's gift to a new season. Soft, tender, pink petals peeking from beneath their wooden covered lesions. The sun and the warm temperatures give them pardon for just a brief time. It's called spring. To be absent during this time is an unforgivable crime. The true beauty is in the silhouettes of the cherry blossom trees. The wind seems to gently kiss each petal, as does a mother to her child on the first day of school. It seems as though the petals are choreographed by a silent orchestra. As they dance in the breeze, they seem to simultaneously jump from off of their branches and dance in the wind to an unheard melody played to part. From a distance, it appears like a soft pink snowstorm or a flurry of tiny butterflies. Destination, my heart. Just as quickly as the symphony begins, it ends. Nature's living art. A leafless tree comes to life, bleeding drops of pink petals until it's exhausted and leafless again, to only spring forth a flourish of green leaves. Thank you, Mother Earth, for displaying just a piece of your beauty. We will wait patiently until next year for a glimpse of your beloved beauty, the cherry blossom trees. It appears like I'm messing up, so it just, I'm messing up.
That's supposed to have been the shot.
I know, but when I start fidgeting, it's that time of year again. Wait a minute. Cause you started it so damn, I told you. See? The damn thing is too slow.
I'm gonna fire you, yo. I'm gonna get somebody else for this
thing
job.
Is going too slow. It's that time of year again for the blossoms of God's gift to us.
Excuse me. Yo, you
A
fired.
leafless tree becomes to life. I can't. This shit is moving fast. It's moving. And I hit the exit button.